Hi everyone, welcome back to the Prama Dot. Today I'm going to draw the EI. So let's start. First we will make the border. So I'm making the border. So now I am making the eyeball. So first I will make it and I am putting a small ball in the inside of the eyeball and I am putting, and now I will put this like a reflection of a mirror and I am making the drawing. So now I am making the eyebrows of this eye. So now I have finished the eyebrows, but I am now putting some big lines on the eyebrows. So now I am putting the shade in the eyeball and I am making it faster, and we should blend it also. So now I am putting the shade in the ball, means in the eye, and I will put. So now I am blending this. So now I am making the eyebrow. So now I have finished the eyebrow. So I am blending this eyebrow and the eyeballs from the earbud. Drawing has been finished. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like.